नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं अनीता आप सबका स्वागत करती हूँ मेरे चैनल बिजनेस कमांडो पर। दोस्तों, अगर आप कुछ नया काम शुरू करने का सोच रहे हैं या नया बिजनेस शुरू करने का सोच रहे हो और आपके मन में डर है या फिर आपके मन में संकोच है कि आप नहीं कर पाएंगे, आपसे नहीं हो पाएगा या फिर आप हार गए तो क्या, तो ये सब जो डर है या फिर ये जो संकोच है इसको आप निकाल दीजिए। क्योंकि दोस्तों, कभी भी अगर आप कोई भी काम शुरू करते हैं तो या तो फिर उस काम में आपको जीत मिलती है या फिर आपको सीख मिलती है। तो अगर आप हार भी जाते हैं तो उसको आप हार मत मानिए, उसको आप सीख मानिए और उससे आप सीखिए कि क्यों आप नहीं जीत पाए और क्यों आप नहीं कर पाए या फिर कौन सी चीज़ थी जिस पे आपको और वर्कआउट करना है। तो आप वो सीखिए और फिर से कोशिश कीजिए, आपको ज़रूर जीत मिलेगी। क्योंकि दोस्तों, आपको पता है कि अपने काम पर जो लोग भरोसा रखते हैं वो नौकरी करते हैं और अपने आप पर जो लोग भरोसा रखते हैं वो बिज़नेस करते हैं। तो अगर आपको एक सक्सेसफुल बिज़नेस करके दिखाना है तो अपने आप पर भरोसा रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो अपने आप पर भरोसा रखिए और कोशिश करते रहिए। तो चलिए दोस्तों, अभी चलते हैं अपने वीडियो की तरफ। आज का वीडियो है व्हाट टू इंक्लूड इन योर क्लाइंट इंट्रोडक्शन पैकेज। तो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज मीन बाय क्लाइंट इंट्रोडक्शन पैकेज। क्लाइंट इंट्रोडक्शन पैकेज इज नथिंग बट योर सर्विसेज एंड प्राइसिंग गाइडलाइंस फॉर पोटेंशियल कस्टमर्स। तो आप इसको क्लाइंट इंट्रोडक्शन पैकेज भी बोल सकते हैं या क्लाइंट इंट्रोडक्शन पैकेज भी बोल सकते हैं। इसमें हम क्लाइंट को अपने सर्विसेज और प्राइसिंग के बारे में गाइडलाइंस प्रोवाइड करते हैं। तो इसमें अभी क्या क्या पॉइंट्स होने चाहिए क्लाइंट इंट्रोडक्शन पैकेट में, वो अभी हम देखेंगे। द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज कवर पेज. Cover page includes logo and slogan of your business and also a short summary of your business, what your client will find inside. And along with this, you will have to mention your URL so that the client can get more details on URL about your business. So if anybody is needing a cover page sample or a format, I can provide it to you. So please comment if anyone is looking out for cover page content. The next point is table of content. When your client opens up the packet, the first page should be the table of content. When your client will be seeing the table of content, he will get the clear idea where to go and how to go quickly and easily. So this is the sample template of table of content which I have made for my own business. So you can add on or you can delete the points as per your business need. So in my table of content, I have mentioned introduction, our vision, our mission, our values, our benefits, specialized services, procedures and policies, work process agreement, and conditions of guarantee. So let's see one by one. The first point is introduction. Introduction is the basic idea of your business. So here just give a background of your business, who you are, how you got into this business, why you are an expert, and how you can be of help for your client. Also ensure that you are a good fit for your potential client and even they are a good fit for you. So you will have to describe the person that how you can be of services and will make the things super easy for client. Only then they will be interested to take your services. So this is introduction. Moving ahead to vision and mission. As you all know, what is the difference between vision and mission? Vision is focusing on tomorrow and what an organization wants to ultimately become. That is a vision. And mission is focusing on today and what an organization does to achieve it. So, vision is focusing on tomorrow and mission is focusing on today. So, now the vision and mission which I have mentioned in this video is my vision, my mission for my business. you can change it as per your business, or if you want to keep it same, you can. This I have particularly mentioned for recruitment business, but you can make some changes as per your business need. So our vision is to be the most preferred and admired provider of integrated recruitment solutions by applying modern management as a way of life. Our mission is to help the customers or clients in all verticals by providing unique and cost effective services for all recruitment needs. So, this is vision and mission. Coming to our values, we are very professional in our work, we are client focused, and we are accountable for our work, we are accountable for our time, we are honest, and we are ambitious. The next point is our benefits. Now, in our benefits, you can mention why the client should take our services. So, here I have mentioned that by taking our services, you would be able to access more potential candidates from our own database. So, we are not only using portals, we have our own database also, from where we can give you more potential candidates. So, the next point is we can source candidates more quickly through our networks. As we have good experience in this industry, we have developed good networks, good social networks, through which we can find out candidates more quickly. So this is our other benefit. The next benefit is that by taking our services, the organization will be able to save time and will be able to focus on their job more efficiently, because the recruitment process takes lot of time to screen the candidates, to screen the profiles, and shortlisting the candidates by taking interviews and then joining procedure. So this takes lot of time, and if you hire our services, then this will reduce the time of screening and shortlisting the resumes and candidates, so that you'll be able to focus on your job more efficiently. The last point I have mentioned is to work in collaboration with the client. We always work in collaboration with the client, so that we can understand the requirement uh, more clearly, and we can provide the right person for this particular mandate. So we work in collaboration with the client to make it more successful, as the client is, if the client is successful, then only we will be successful. So I have mentioned, as your success is our success. The next point is specialized services. In specialized services, you have to mention the industry specification, wherein you have hands-on experience, and you have closed number of positions. So this is the industry sector which I have mentioned. We are specialized in providing recruitment services in manufacturing and engineering industries, pharmaceutical and medical industries, lubricant industries, automobile, logistic, retail, food industries, construction industries, shipping industries, and BPO industries. This doesn't mean that we won't be able to work on other industries. This is specifically we are saying that we have good hands-on experience in these sectors, and we are capable of working in other industries also. The next is procedures and policies. In procedures and policies, we mention the work process of recruitment, wherein we need the detailed job description and candidate specification. Uh, this is necessary for the opening to be filled successfully and suitable candidates to be sourced in minimum time period. Because if you have mentioned the details, what exactly you are looking out for, what skill sets you are looking out for, we will be able to put that skill sets in our source search criteria, and accordingly we can search the right person. Also, there are few positions wherein the job specifications are required, like in some cases we look only for male candidates, especially marketing and sales. uh, this is I'm talking for some of the positions, not for each and every. In few of the cases we prefer to have female candidates only. Then there are some specifications wherein we need to mention if there are some if there are night shifts or rotational shifts. Again, if there is any age bar, and if there are special conditions for some jobs that he will have to travel international locations very frequently. All these things we need to mention and make it clear to the candidates. So we need all the specifications before starting work, so that we can communicate to the candidate and we can get the right person. Also it helps to find out the right person by putting the key skills what the client is looking out for, right? So the next is sourcing candidates. We agree to use our best efforts and methods to help identify and recruiting candidates for the assigned mandates. So definitely we assure to the clients that we will be using best methods. We will put our 100% efforts to give the right person within the given time period, so that you will be able to save your valuable time. Next is candidate referrals. The life of each resume sent by us will have minimum life of 1 year. That means the if we share any candidate's profile to the client, and if the client hires that person in 1 year of duration, we will be able to apply for fee structure. That means we can ask for fees, whatever fees we have mentioned in our agreement, that we will be able to ask for that particular candidate. The next is process agreement. In process agreement, the concerned person from client side or a contact person from client side, he should provide all the details about candidate selections, inputs needed, and time to time feedback on each position or each requirement. And also he should guide us and direct us for the closing the requirements details. And also if the candidate is finalized and he is offered, then the person should share a offer letter with us, so that we can keep it a record and also we can apply for invoice. Next is fee structure. Usually it is 8.33% of total CTC. It can vary depending on the positions, that is if it is a management level position or if it is a uh, junior level position, entry level position. So you can modify it as per the requirement details. Okay, so this is fee structure which you'll have to mention in process agreement. Next is conditions of guarantee. In conditions of guarantee, we give a guarantee for the placement of permanent staff for a period of 90 calendar days, that is 3 months of guarantee period. So guarantee period will fall away after 90 calendar days of placement. दिस मीन्स अगर आपके साइड से कोई कैंडिडेट कोई भी कंपनी में अगर ज्वाइन होता है, इफ़ यू सोर्स दैट कैंडिडेट एंड विद इन 3 मंथ्स और विद इन 90 डेज अगर कैंडिडेट अपने से खुद जॉब छोड़ देता है, तो यू विल हैव टू प्रोवाइड अ फ्री रिप्लेसमेंट टू कस्टमर. दिस इज़ अ पॉलिसी ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट सर्विसेज. अगर कैंडिडेट जॉब नहीं छोड़ता है और कंपनी उसे निकाल देती है विदाउट एनी मिस्टेक ऑफ कैंडिडेट, तो इन दैट केस दिस clause is not applicable. Okay, if candidate leaves the job, then only this is applicable. And again, agar if you have mentioned the payment period of 2 months or 1 month or 3 months, whatever it is, within that payment period, if you get the payment, then only this is applicable. If you get the payment after 3 months, then it is not applicable. Okay, so this is the conditions of guarantee. This also you will have to mention in introduction package. This is very important to mention, so that we will be clear on our side. So आई होप आज का वीडियो आपको क्लियर था, एंड दिस इज़ ऑल फॉर टुडे. आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो. इन केस इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स, इफ़ यू नो वांट टू नो फ्यू मोर डिटेल्स, और अगर आपको कोई और टॉपिक पे वीडियो बना के चाहिए, तो प्लीज़ गाइड एंड सपोर्ट अस अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगती है तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच।